Hello, in this video we'll be creating a moving sprite. We can have kinematic body 2D and we'll call it player. Then we can give it a sprite and we can give it an icon.png. Now we can get a collision shape 2D. Now we can give it a rectangle shape and give it a 32 by 32 because that's the resolution of object. We also want to move it over somewhere else than the corner, so I've turned on this so it moves the parent, not the sprite, because then that will just result in an incorrect collision. Just before we add the movement code, we'll also want to add an obstacle to test the movement code on when it's ready. We'll call this collision, and let's get a collision polygon, and let's create one. Now, using this little shape, now test out a collision. Once it's done, of course, because currently we have no way to go player over there. Well, if we get export val speed equals 1000. So then val motion be equal to vector2.0 because it's like a joystick. Let's say if you're going up and right, it will be a 1-1, but this gets beefed up quite a lot. Well, it will be 1000 and 1000. Depends on the speed. And if our function is physics process delta motion equal to update input, and it'll want to take in the delta, but you should get a red error saying that update input does not exist. That's okay because we're gonna have to make the function ourselves. Now, create function update input, and we'll make it a delta. Well, now let's just pass, and let's add some stuff in. So first we'll want to create a new vector2 variable called input. Then we're gonna make the part which actually is important, and it is the part which gets the input. So now if we get the int of input, get action strength UI left minus right. Now input dot y equals integer input dot strength UI up. Now int input got action strength UI down. Now return minus input, because the controls are inverted, times our speed. We can also adjust the speed from here. Also, just before we start recording, I changed the UI left and gave what ASA does support. So if you want to do that, you just as the press for key, and since left is for A, we draw in A and vice versa. Now if we begin the project, we should see that we're colliding with something, and that is indeed our collision shape. You might be wondering why I can see it here but not here. That's its collision shape because its collision shapes can't be seen in game view. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.